Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use picture-in-picture on YouTube at your MacBook. This lets you watch videos while using other apps at the same time. This is super useful if you're multitasking, and it only takes a few clicks. So first, open Safari, Google Chrome, or any browser that you use. Go to YouTube and play any video. If you're using Chrome, right-click on the video, and you'll see the YouTube menu first. Then right-click again. Now click Picture-in-Picture. Well, if you're using Safari, right-click on the video, and you might need to right-click twice. Then click Enter Picture-in-Picture. Don't skip the second right-click, because that's where most people get stuck. And your video will now pop out into a small floating window. You can move it anywhere, resize it, and keep watching while using other apps. It stays on top even if you switch apps. Well, to exit, just click the X or return button on the video. And that's how to use picture-in-picture on YouTube on your MacBook. Once you start using this, it's really hard to go back. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.